All right, we made it back once again to Peace Cave. Here we are. Well, I don't know how many people are still in here.
Right.
How many other cameras we got? Low key shooting picture? Who got the best camera?
You guys mind if I flash you with light? I'm bringing in the sun. Good? All right.
So foggy.
Yes.
Oh, I thought
They got the good stuff.
Oh, what's up?
Whoa. Dude, thank you guys.
Hello.
all right.
Y'all just sliding on. There's another one. Hold on.
Anyone in the hole? No.
Head first?
Yeah.
Sick. I'm gonna slide my water down to you. Down?
Yeah, so we're gonna stage everything into this room that comes up after this push.
Yeah, sweet.
You might want to just go feet first.
So what I'll do is I'll sit over here and let everybody know.
All right.
You want in the squeeze here?
Oh damn! How are you stuck on there?
Hang on.
All right. I was like, I can't see shit. All right.
Ooh, I know, I just saw that. Yeah, that thing's falling over, Sean.
Oh, is it?
It is.
All right. Well, I'm gonna help
Yeah.
push it out of the way, I guess.
No, yeah.
Dude, and this hole is fucking tight. Oh.
Just wait here for you.
Yeah, I'm coming out.
Move it out.
I was wondering why it was such a bitch to get into.
I'm in a good spot. If you guys can I kind of got a knee bar. Just let me know how you want me to help you get that
Oh wow,
up.
that sucks.
Big, right?
Damn.
Bro, it's just all the way down there. Holy shit. How's it going down there?
Good. Just a relaxing day. You know, normal hiking.
Did I do that?
Yep.
This is where you hunt.
Sorry. Got it? Got it. Okay, I'm readjusting. Cool. All right.
I bet you this is where it came from.
Look at that.
All right, let's go.
Oh,
Nice, dude. Fuck yeah.
all right. I'm gonna just try to shove it in a little bit more. I think. Oh, great. That's
Cam.
Tight. Let's go the other way.
Woo.
Thanks, guys.
Yes, sir.
Nice, dude. That's cool as fuck. You go ahead first?
Go ahead. So I went with my feet and then turned around.
What's easier, go ahead first?
You're giving us beta. I haven't seen yet.
Oh, you haven't gone?
No.
Oh, okay.
I've got my feet all the way down flat in there.
All right. Well, that's gonna be
You see what I'm saying?
tricky to get out.
Yeah, dude. I'm here for you. I got my hands for you.
Wow.
That's what I'm saying. It's just a tight squeeze.
I'll be honest, my neck is already kind of feeling that.
Yeah, man. Just come back. Tell me when to move.
Oh. All right, you can start moving.
Woo!
Oh. that about where you got?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, dude. It just keeps on. It's just as tight. The second you get into, that's why you almost have to go head first, so you have to commit.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Yeah.
Oh, that's tight.
Oh yeah.
Did you go head first, facing up?
Yeah. Best way.
How is it?
Sticky.
Not a lot of people do it. They do all the caving stuff. I do, but I do a lot of skydiving. I do, but I do mostly skydiving and rock climbing. How was it? Did you go all the way in?
Yeah, he went all the way in.
Hell yeah.
Like I said, it just doesn't let up. Yeah, this will take you out to that other room where they're all at right now.
Oh, cool.
Oh wow.
Like I'm.
Mold.
I kind of figured out like helmet and there's not a lot of things I can really fit in.
Okay.
Yeah, that's tight for me. Like I was making about
Just a bunch of mold.
a progress at a time.
Pretty gnarly, dude.
Yeah.
It's dusty.
It's very dusty. You
I mean, you're not rolling.
want me to hand you the bag after you're
I mean, you're not rolling.
Not on this one.
What?
I'm putting my battery schedule
Sean, you want your bag?
Yeah.
Where you guys going? Wait, did it go up?
Hello.
Is this where that hole comes?
Oh yeah, yeah. You can just go straight down.
No, be careful. Down this way, I think.
Oh, come on, time to come out.
Yeah. Brian,
Where does that go?
Oh, back to where we just were.
oh, okay.
So all this was once full of water, right? I believe so.
The brain.
Those bros. Yeah.
All right.
Oh, that does go deeper. Huh. No hesitation whatsoever.
Yeah.
All right. Then I just ran up my whole back across the roof.
You gonna go for it?
Yeah.
Have you ever been inside?
No, not where I've gotten fully stuck. Close. Close, but not fully.
Oh,
Probably before.
it's nice and dusty here today. Cool. I don't think I've ever been on this side. So look over here. Just a bunch of trash. Cool. It's just a bunch of trash. Okay. All right. Man, just getting that arm out.
I know, dude.
See it? Is there room? It sounds like somebody's coming out. You go that way?
Flashlight?
All right, we're at danger. It was crowded over at Peace Cave, but this time there ain't nobody that's getting in this one. There's also this entrance right here, super hard to get into, but I have done it.
Just banged my elbow on the same spot.
Oh yeah?
Right on the bone. Nice. Sweet. Other elbow too. Me. Keeps going that way.
Yeah, it just hops out right here. Oh, get out of here, spider. Can't you see him on my way? All right.
It's a lot easier to maneuver without those pads though.
Yeah, I know. Twisting your knee and doing all the crazy things.
Sick. Hey, comfy? Yeah.
Yeah, dude.
It costs money.
Yeah, man. We got everybody up in this bitch. Yeah, by the way, look at that before you walk out. The little hole in the ground.
Oh, you're dead. No, it's too late. You're dead.
What, the one right here?
Yeah, it's just a gigantic hole in the ground that it does go. Is he looking at it?
It's over here. That's the other side. So this is the hole he's talking about, and it connects to it.
It feels good.
I mean, you can see it on the rocks. All the flow.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it must be like a really early development.
You going down?
Yeah, it comes right out the other side, so might as well.
Okay, dude.
All right. Yeah, dude. Ow.
Yeah, I'm definitely seeing the light coming from over there.
This one. Nice cooler cave. Oh my god.
It was. Yeah, fucking hell, I'm good. Thank you. Where the elbow pads go? What do you think about your big jumping in the lake? You ever thought about that?
About just jumping in the lake right now.
Lake, but like this bucket.
Like right now. Yeah, watch your head on your way out. Heck yeah.